again. The Closer. All new Mondays at 9 starting July 15th on TNT. Tell me about it.
And I don't want to do it again.
I understand. Again, I'll be rarely.
But that doesn't mean if I found something I know he would really love, I shouldn't get it, right?
That's really not my decision.
Yeah, but I know what you're thinking. A gift this great could make up for all the misfires of the past.
That's exactly what I was saying.
It's like it was made for him. He's going to love it.
So, should I wrap it for you?
Whoa. Easy on the pressure there, pal. It's not like you're buying any cars. I'm kidding, Gerard. 19 years and I got it right.